front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids and download this free app from Mad Scientist developer. Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme. When your app is ready, open it. Then click on the bottom left corner to mute the music right away, and then select those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and hit this gear at the top right corner. Now you need to choose I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options however you wish to. If you don't want to do it, you can also click on Presets at the top left corner. Click on the best option for you and tap on Yes in Load Preset pop-up. Then go back. Click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. When you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!